want to be a police. I want to help keep people safe and make my community a better place.
My dream is to become a teacher to inspire and empower young minds. I believe that education educates to a better future. I want to be a part of shaping.
I dream of being a seaman, exploring the world and experiencing life on the open water. I've always been drawn to the adventure spirit of a seaman, the challenge of navigating the vast ocean, and the sense of freedom that comes with it.
I want to be a doctor to make difference. My dream is to heal and help others. I'm driven by the desire to reserve and care. I want to be a doctor to ease suffering and bring hope. My goal is to use my skill to improve people's lives.
I've always been drawn to helping others. I believe nursing is a perfect way to make a difference in people's lives. My dream is to become a police officer because I want to help our country. I want to help stop bad people so that no one else get hurt. I choose to be a police officer because it's an honorable job and service to our motherland.
My dream is information technology is a broad professional category covering functions including building communication network and safeguard data and information and troubleshooting computers.
Flashback and a flashback. Soon after montage. Yesterday, meanwhile.
I've always been drawn to helping others and I believe I always been drawn to helping
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.